Where are you, my beginners? How to learn tips and tricks. Today we are coming to learn the car itself. Not all, but part of the car. Okay, so when you see this thing over here, the whole thing is called a car. That is how I will call it, a car. Very good. Nigeria will say motor. Fine, but when you come to this side, there are parts. You can see this side, 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 you can see this side. This thing is there. So let's start from this side. This one, this whole one that you can open, this whole thing here is called bonnet. Bonnet. This one is called wiper. Wiper. This one is called windscreen. This one is windscreen. This one is called antenna. Antenna. This one is headlight. This one is called headlight. And when you come to the headlight, we have the parking light, which is at this side. This is the light itself, and this one is trafficator or indicator light, all in one called headlight. Fine. When you come to this side, in our place we call it shades, but it is great. It is great. And this one is the crown. The identification of this car is crown. This one is Chevrolet, it's crown. So this one is great or shades. This one is crown. And this one is the number plate. That one everybody knows. You understand? Okay. Come to this side. This one is called mirror. But we have a lot of mirror. So this one is called side mirror. Because we have a mirror in the car, we have a whole lot of mirror. So even we have a mirror at the windshield. This one is called mirror. Side mirror. This one is the door. This one is the door. Now when you come to the door, we have the handle. We have the handle, we have the mirror, side mirror, and we have the glass. This one is the front door. And when you come to this side, we have the back door. When you come to the back door, you still have the handle over here. So this side is called roof. Roof. This one is called roof, the roof of the car. Okay, let's come to this side. But before then, we have something to talk about over here. This whole thing over here, from here to here, from this side, this whole thing from here to here is called fender. Here to that side, this thing is called fender. When you come to the back side, this one is called tail light. Tail light. This one is called tail light. But when you come to the tail light, we have this one, the red side, called brake light. Under it, we have the yellow, called trafficator light or indicator light. When you come to the down, we have the white one called reverse light. Reverse light or backup light. In our local, they say we call it reverse light, but the real meaning, the real name is called backup light. All in one called tail light. This one is gas cover or gas door. Gas or fuel door. This one is where you use this one. This car is petrol car, so here is where we used to fill our petrol, and this is the door. So gas or fuel door. Very good. When you come to this side, all this place is called bumper. So you hear people saying bumper to bumper. When the traffic jams like that, you see people hitting, and this one is called bumper. This one from here to this side, here is where we used to open. It's called boot or trunk. It's called boot or trunk, as we did at the front. This is the crown. Chevrolet, this is the crown, and this is the number plate. This is wiper, that is back wiper. This one is real. The one that you used to look at back is real. So this glass is real. Meanwhile, the front one is called windscreen. Okay, what else? Okay, let's talk about this one. Where is it? It's over here. This one is called exhaust pipe. Exhaust pipe. Okay, come to this side. this one, the whole thing is called wheel. Wheel. From this side to this side, this side to this side is called wheel. But when you pick the wheel, this one alone is called tires. This one alone is called rim. And this one over here, this one over here, this one is the wheel cap. The wheel cap. Yeah, that's the wheel cap. This is the wheel cap. Some have this that covers from this side to this side, and this is the wheel cap of this car. I hope you've learned something small. So this is the tire, this is the rim, and this is the wheel cap. The whole thing come together called wheel. You go to inside next time. Thank you very much. How to learn tips and tricks.